Hello guys, hello my ladies. Welcome everyone. Guys, I want to invite you right now to join our VIP community, because inside the community you will have access to all the resources from this channel, and much more than that. You will also have access to our signal room, which up to this moment is operating with a 100% accuracy rate. Okay guys. And yes, during the entire year of 2025, we have been consistently hitting our daily goals. So this is your real opportunity to start getting solid and consistent results using professional signals. And remember something very important. The signals are sent every single day, and they are live signals, okay guys? They are not delayed signals, they are not recorded signals. They are live, happening in real time. On top of that, you'll have access to all the benefits inside the community, so don't waste time. Inside the community, you can check the full trading history. You can see real withdrawals, and you can also see why this platform is recommended. That's because the payments are basically instant, okay? You can also see our full accuracy statistics, and all of this information will be available in the video description. So don't waste time, join now. Alright guys, now let's get back to our video. So guys, once again, I invite you to join the signal room. Take advantage of it, because right now it is 100% free, okay? And remember, it is also 100% live. If you don't have an account with the broker yet, I'll leave the registration link in the video description. Once you create your account, you'll receive VIP access to the rewards panel. And another important point, payments here are instant, and you can use leverage without any problems related to account blocks or restrictions, unlike many other brokers that exist out there. Okay guys. So today, I'm going to show you a very interesting indicator, a very accurate indicator, and this indicator will also be available for you inside the community. Because of that, it's very important that you leave your like and also subscribe to the channel, because I'm sure today's content will add a lot of value to your trading journey. Now let's see if we can find a good asset to analyze. Right now, I'm looking at GBPJPY. I'm talking to you guys, but at the same time, I'm also keeping my eyes on the indicator. This is a highly precise indicator, and I'll share my screen with you so you can see in real time how it works. All the settings, all the configurations, and everything you need will be available inside our community. And of course, inside the community, you'll also have access to the signal room. Once you complete your registration, you'll unlock all of this. There are many valuable tools available, so it's much easier for you to check everything inside the community. Now pay attention to this, guys. Every time a signal appears, the market tends to move strongly in that direction. If the indicator signals a sell, the market drops. If the indicator signals a buy, the market goes up. But here's something very important, and I want you to understand this clearly. I'm not here just to show you theory. So now, I'm going back to the platform chart, and I'm opening the EURJPY asset so we can analyze it together. At this moment, the market is very volatile. It's not an easy market to trade, and that's exactly why having a good indicator makes such a big difference. Now look at the accuracy rate of this indicator. It signaled a sell, and the very next candle respected the movement. Then it signaled a buy. Okay guys, here you would take a loss, and that's completely normal. Losses are part of trading. The most important thing here is that you always operate in favor of the trend. If the trend is bearish, you focus more on sell trades. If the trend is bullish, you focus more on buy trades. In this specific case, we can clearly see that the market structure is bullish. So what can I do here? I can wait patiently for a buy signal, and then take the trade aligned with the trend. Okay guys. Now let me add one more confirmation to the strategy. I'll remove the RSI indicator. Then I go to indicators and add a 21-period moving average. I'll make the line thicker so it's easier for you to visualize. Now pay attention. Whenever the candles are trading above this moving average, you should prioritize buy trades. When the candles are trading below the moving average, you should prioritize sell trades. By combining the indicator signal, the trend direction, and the moving average, your operations become much more accurate. Now I'm going to look for an entry. And as soon as I find one, I'll come back and show it to you. I believe this is extremely important. Not only explaining the strategy in theory, but also showing it in practice. This indicator is excellent for traders who want to operate on their own, with confidence. But if you prefer, you can also use the signal room, which is even more efficient. Inside the signal room, there's a full team and a complete structure trading together with you. And remember, all the signals are live. So create your broker account, join the VIP community, and let's try to hit our daily goals together. All right, guys, now we're taking an entry. We're using the indicator that I explained to you earlier. Let's follow the trade together and see if the market respects the operation. I'm also showing you the accuracy rate of this indicator. It's extremely powerful. We have just a few seconds left. And now you can clearly see, both in theory and in practice, that this strategy works. But remember, without the correct entry trigger, results can change. That's why understanding the strategy is so important. Look at that move. Clean, strong, and precise. And look how much the market dropped using this indicator. So that's it, guys. This indicator will be available for you inside the community.